Ever wondered why the Denon DP-29F makes every other beginner turntable feel clumsy?
Ever felt like your tools are secretly working against you? Like every time you reach for the Tonearm, your heart skips a beat, praying you don't drop the needle straight into the runout groove. Me too. That quiet panic when the record ends and you're across the room. Sound familiar? Drop guilty in the comments if vinyl has ever made you feel more stress than joy.
Picture this. You finally sit down after a brutal day, pour a drink, drop the needle, and realize you forgot to switch the preamp again. Or worse, the platter keeps spinning while you're half asleep on the couch, carving a permanent circle into your favorite pressing. That low-grade dread is real. Imagine if there was a way to just press play and actually relax without adding another gadget to the pile.
Here's where the Denon DP-29F walks in like it owns the place. One button. That's it. The Tonearm glides over like a seasoned butler, lowers itself with zero drama, and when the side ends, it lifts, returns home, and shuts the whole show down. No grinding, no accidental scratches, no oh crap moments. A busy dad I know fell asleep during side B of Dark Side of the Moon. Woke up 3 hours later to silence and a perfectly safe record. The rigid die-cast aluminum platter keeps everything rock steady, while the built-in phono equalizer means you can plug straight into powered speakers or a soundbar and still get that warm, punchy Denon sound. Oh, and keep watching. There's a secret cueing trick at the end that'll make you feel like a DJ without the nerves. Let's talk results. People who were ready to swear off vinyl forever are now spinning records nightly. One influencer told me, "I went from terrified to obsessed in a single evening. The auto return is legitimately life-changing." Another longtime user said, after 5 years of daily use, it's still silent, still perfect, still my favorite thing in the house. The heavy aluminum platter kills resonance you didn't even know you were hearing. The belt drive keeps motor noise banished. You get real high-fidelity playback without the ritual sacrifice of manual perfectionism. Which feature would save your sanity the most? The auto return, the plug-and-play preamp, or the manual lifter for skipping straight to that one killer track? Tell me below. I read every single comment.
Limited stock alerts are popping right now. When these move, they move fast. Thousands have already ditched the anxiety and stepped into pure vinyl joy with the Denon DP-29F. One buyer said, "I couldn't believe how fast it changed my workflow. My chill workflow." Click that link, grab yours, and unlock the hidden cueing trick that makes dropping the needle anywhere on the record stupidly satisfying. Don't just watch, jump in and let your records finally sound as good as they deserve. Comment yes if you're ready to ditch the fear and fall back in love with vinyl tonight.